If you want to delete your Apple ID for some reason, then let us see how to do it. For that one, open a web browser and you have to open a website called privacy.apple.com. You have to enter your Apple ID or phone number. Click on this arrow here. Enter the password of your Apple ID. Click on the arrow again. Now you will be asked to select the phone number where you want to receive a verification code. Enter the verification code. Now you will go to this screen. We have the option to either temporarily deactivate your account or delete your account. So what I will do is I will select this option, request to delete your account. So you will see here what happens when your account will be deleted. So basically what happens is all the data will be deleted. All the subscriptions that you have taken from Apple services, they will be removed. And here you have the option to back up all the data that you have in your Apple account before you delete your Apple account. So you can select this option to download the data. Then you can select a region and then continue. Again, you will be reminded what will happen when you delete your Apple account. After that, select continue. You have to agree to the terms and conditions and then again select continue. Now you have the option to choose either your email or the phone number if Apple wants to contact you about any important information regarding your account. You can select it and then continue. Now you will be given a code that you have to print it or either keep it safe. This code will be used if you want to change your mind and cancel the deletion of your Apple account. So you will have around 7 days before your Apple account will be deleted. So if you cancel your mind within 7 days, then you can provide this access code in order to cancel the deletion of your Apple account. If you want to continue with deletion, you have to select this option, continue. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful.